Allah the Almighty, Allahu Allah, protect me and guide me, Allahu Allah, oh, to your love and mercy, Allahu Allah, Ya Allah, don't deprive me, Allahu Allah, from beholding your beauty, Allahu Allah, oh my Lord, accept this plea, Allahu Allah.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Young scholars, how are you?
Fine.
Very
We
good.
are fine, sir.
Who was absent yesterday?
So,
Who was absent yesterday?
what is Babu?
Who was absent yesterday? Who was absent yesterday? Omar or Tanveer? Tanveer was absent yesterday.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Who was absent yesterday?
Tanveer.
Very good. So we are going to complete now the remaining lessons. Yesterday we talked about what's there, what was there, what will be there, and where. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
This was the question, no? That what's there, what's
Yeah.
there, and after that, what's there in the right hand, what's there on the table, what's there now, on you can say on the floor, what's there on the table, what's there on the stool. Clear?
Yes, sir.
आपने डिस्कस किए थे इसे?
नहीं सर
आप प्रॉब्लम रहेगी फिर। मैंने कहा था आपसे।
नहीं सर, वो समझा देंगे तो थोड़ा सा जो
सर मैं वीडियो देख
लेकिन पुत्र वो कल कहूँ प्रॉब्लम हो सी।
हम मिले नहीं सर, उसको कॉलेज में मिले तो देते हैं।
ये
हमारे घर रहता जाना है सर, बहुत नाम पास है।
ये न मिलना ही बड़ी अजीब बात होती है। चलो कोई बात नहीं।
मिला तेरे
See बेटा, the moment we say where, example of where Umar?
In the classroom.
Very good. Where? In the classroom. Example, give example please. In the classroom.
On the table.
Very good बेटा. One by one. No, it's Sakalan. You told.
यस
On the table. Or it was Umar, I think. On the table, please. Example of where? Example of where?
Under the ceiling.
Very good. Where? Under the ceiling. Please.
Over the floor.
Very good. Over the floor. Please.
Behind the wall.
Behind the oh, gentleman, say something. Example of where? In the mind. Where? In the mind.
On the
Where?
table.
On the table.
In the table.
In the books. What?
In the room.
In the books. Or in the Holy Quran.
इन द बोर्ड
On what? On the board.
ऑन द
On the whiteboard.
ऑन द
Behind you. Behind the chair. Now clear?
यस
Within the table. Between the wall and the dais. ओ भाई साहब वेयर की एग्जांपल देनी है दसो कहाँ आगे जलसा। जब आप वेयर कहते हो तो इससे क्या मुराद होती है? नहीं ये तो वो ही होंगे, ये अंग्रेजी थे, उर्दू इंग्लिश ये तो नहीं, वेयर एग्जांपल देनी।
In the classroom.
तुसी किथे हो?
In the ceiling.
At Sela.
At Sela.
In the chair.
In the chair.
और किथे हो? मेरे सामने. In front of me. ऐसे हो ना?
Yes.
कहाँ? मेरे सामने. In front of me. और किथे हो? सकलैन दे सज्जे पासे. है ना?
Yes.
कहाँ? On the right side of
Saklan.
सकलैन. ते सकलैन किथे?
Yes.
Very good. On your left side. Where? On your left side. Or between Tanveer and Umar. और सकलैन सब किथे हैं? At Sela. In the class. In the chair. In front of me. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Between you and Umar. between Omar and you, and
Yes, sir.
in front of this picture, this panel, this image. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Behind the table, between the wall and the table. Amen?
Yes, sir.
Siglan sab kitne? Where is Siglan?
Add Sila.
At Sela. Where is Siglan?
Between Umar and Tanvir.
Very good. Between Omar and Tanvir. Where is Siglan? Both there. Yes, but in the Bharat, where is this gentleman?
Behind the table.
Behind the table.
On the chair.
On the chair. Very good. In the chair.
For in front.
In front of the teacher. In front of Rafi Mujahid. In front of me. Very good. Ji.
Right side.
Can the right side?
My left.
On your right side. On your right side. On his left side. Dosto kede paase?
On my left side.
On your left side. ਤੇ ਉਮਰ ਦੀ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਈਡ?
Right side.
On his right side. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੋ ਬਈ?
Between Tanvir and Umar.
Very good. You are between Tanvir and Omar. Both
In the classroom.
in the classroom. Both
At
with
Sila.
at Sela.
Front you.
In front of me. Very good, beta ji.
In the
In front of the wall.
In front of the wall.
Under the ceiling.
On the
On the floor. In the chair. On the floor.
In the chair.
In the chair. और समझ आए?
Yes, sir.
याद है Where? ये हमारा कल का सवाल था कि what's there और उसके बाद ये पूछते हैं what's there in the classroom, what's there on the table, what's there under the ceiling. सवाल है ना?
Yes, sir.
What's there over the floor, what's there in the mind, what's there in the box, what's there in the Holy Quran. What's there in the Holy Quran? Come brother, Quran है भाई देखो ना, please. What's there in the Holy Quran? और कुरान मजीद में कोई शायद है ना?
Yes.
ओके,
Moise.
सारे को क्वेश्चन सर बोलो जड़ा बोले ठक जिसे पता है वो बोले. What's there in the Holy Quran?
There is advice.
Very good. There is a piece of advice. There are pieces of advice. एक और बात बता दूं ना.
Yes.
बस मैंने क्या बोला भी एडवाइस या उमर ने बोला था एडवाइस. ये देखना एडवाइस जब ये सिंगुलर होगा तो पीस ऑफ एडवाइस, जब ये प्लुरल होगा तो फिर
Advice.
पीसेस ऑफ एडवाइस. एडवाइस नहीं कह सकते. ये आपके इंटर में सवाल भी आता है आप इंग्लिश के पेपर में. ये जो आप इंटरमीडिएट का पेपर देते हो ना FFSC, ठीक है जी, आई नाम वगैरह, उसमें करेक्शन वाला होता है ना, करेक्शन वाला कि वो करेक्शन करनी होती है सेंटेंसेस की. तो ये याद रखना एडवाइस सिंगुलर है तो इसका प्लुरल क्या होगा?
pieces.
हाँ, एडवाइस नहीं कहना, ऐसे कहेंगे a piece of advice. एक नसीहत. क्या? a piece of advice. तो नसीहतें होंगी तो फिर क्या होगा?
Pieces of advice.
वेरी गुड. फिर ये खत्म हो जाएगा, ये बन जाएगा pieces of advice. So what's there in the Holy Quran? Pieces of advice. नसीहतें हैं. किन के लिए? For whom? किन के लिए?
For
For all human beings. For all human. क्या? Human beings. Humans तमाम इंसानों के लिए. ठीक है बात? अच्छा, what's there at Sela? बताएं यहाँ पे क्या क्या है?
There is a chair.
There's chair. पूरी बात बताएं.
There is a chair in the room.
There's chair in the room. There's chair now in front of you. There's हाँ.
There is whiteboard on the wall.
नहीं मेरे बेटे क्या कहेंगे? दोबारा कहिए.
There is whiteboard.
Very good. क्या कहेंगे जी? There is. क्या नाम लिखिए था नहीं?
Yes.
आगे क्या है? What? There is what? A whiteboard. There is a whiteboard on the wall. There is a whiteboard between you. There is a whiteboard in front of me. Clear? जी. और क्या है? There are
Books.
where?
On the shelf.
On the shelf. Very good. There are books on the shelf. Very good. There are books
On the shelf. In the
In the cupboard. In the ये हमारी होगी ना? In the cupboard. Where? In the cupboard. On your right side. There are books on your right side. अब तुम्हारे सजे पास ही है ना?
books, yes sir.
Very. और बताइए क्या है? What's there over here in this room?
There is a bag on the stand,
Very good. There is a bag on the stand. There is a TV
on the table.
on the table. You can say on the chair. That is no. There is a remote
On TV.
on the TV. There is chair
On
On
the
on the floor under the TV. Was it?
Yes.
On the floor under the TV. There is a TV between the remote
and
and the chair. Very. समझ आएगा?
जी सर.
What's there in your pocket? What's there in your pocket?
Sir,
Pool bar.
in my pocket, sir.
जी है ना मेरे बेटे.
there
There is a mobile phone.
There's a mobile phone in your pocket. There's a pen. है ना pen भी. There's a pen in your pocket. What is there in the mobile? What is there in the mobile? Mobile के अंदर क्या है? बताइए सारे.
there is SIM card.
Very good. There is a SIM card. A SIM. There is a SIM in the mobile.
There is information in the mobile.
There is information. याद रखिएगा. Information. क्या लफ्ज़ है?
Information.
इसका भी होता है a piece of information, pieces of information. याद एक बात?
Yes.
Informations नहीं कहेंगे. A piece of advice, pieces of advice. A piece of information, pieces of information. अब ये याद रखना है.
Yeah.
इस पेपर के लिए आपका जो इंटरमीडिएट का पेपर है जिसमें करेक्शन होती है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ ये याद रखना. जी. So there are contacts. What?
There are contacts.
And contacts. There are contacts in the mobile. There are messages in the mobile. और क्या है?
There are
There are pics. Very good. There are photos. There are images. There are pics. ये है lesson. There. What else is there? There is cough. खांसी है. There is cough. खांसी. cough जानते हैं? नहीं जानते? खांसी. cough. C-O-U-G-H. क्या? cough.
Cough.
किसे कहते हैं? जैसे cough. खांसी है.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
हाँ ये बोलिए शाबाश.
Cough. There is cough.
There is smile.
There is
Where? On your face. No.
Yes.
Over there at your lips.
Yes.
There is smile at your lips. What's there in your mind? What is there in your mind?
There is information.
Very good. There is a piece of information in your mind. There are pieces of information in your mind. जी, तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या बड़े भाई?
Information.
पूरी करना सुन.
There is pieces of information.
फिर there is pieces तो नहीं होगा बेटा.
There are.
Very good. There are pieces of information in your
in
mind.
my mind.
और क्या? There is knowledge.
There is knowledge.
There is knowledge in your mind. और बताइए.
Bone.
There is. हाँ बोल. There are questions. भाई तमीज़ साहब है कुछ भी कह सकते हैं. There are questions in my mind. मेरे दिमाग में क्या है?
Question.
Questions है. There are answers in my mind. There are doubts in my mind. मेरे दिमाग में doubts हैं. और क्या है?
There are confusing.
Confusions very good. There are confusion. बहुत से confusions हैं. ये सिर्फ ये confusion है.
There are.
There is a confusion. ये होता है ना? ये अब sentient करोगे ना ऐसे आती है.
There are thinking.
There are thoughts. Very good. और thoughts हैं. ख्यालात हैं. जी. There is love. There is hate. There is everything. There is nothing. That's something. कुछ भी नहीं है. सब कुछ है. मोहब्बत है. नफरत है. Ideas हैं. Thoughts हैं. Planning है. There is planning in my mind. और क्या है this
A
one?
piece of information.
Very good. There is a piece of information. There are many pieces of information in my mind.
There are pieces of advice.
Very good. Pieces of advice. Pieces of advice. Very good. कहने के लिए बहुत कुछ है. छोटे भाई के लिए, दोस्त के लिए, अपने क्लास फेलोज के लिए या रेगुलर पढ़ा वर्ड यार इंग्लिश हिंदी सौखी यार कोई मसले नहीं तुसी डरते रहंदे
Yes.
है ना इज अ पीस ऑफ एडवाइस तुसी जब तक नहीं बोलना काम नहीं करना मैं क्लास खत्म कर देनी जी देयर इज कैसे बोलना बेटा देयर इज व्हाट देयर इज अ मार्कर
Here is the marker.
मार्कर है कहां
You are in.
इन बाय केड़े सजे आते खब्बे आते
You are in. Right.
वेरी गुड देयर इज अ मार्कर इन माय राइट हैंड
There is.
There is nothing in your left.
एक्सेलेंट बेटा याद नहीं बात
They are in blue.
देयर इज अ ब्लू मार्कर
In your left hand. Right. Red marker.
in my right hand. There is a red marker in my right hand. There is a blue marker in my left hand. आपको भूलना नहीं है.
Yes.
ये तो था कल और लेसन इनके साथ डिस्कशन कीजिएगा. प्लीज.
Yes.
चोरे बन के दो दिन के बाद उसमें हम मिलना तो सवाल होना है ना तो दो डेढ़ वर्ड कोने के सबक है वो वीडियो तो ये डाउनलोड कर लेनी है या डायरेक्ट देख लेनी है तो प्रैक्टिस करनी
Inshallah.
अच्छा अब देखिए आज का क्वेश्चन आज का क्वेश्चन है who's there क्या
Who's there?
कल हमने पढ़ा था what आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं who अच्छा who क्या होगा पर्सन
Person.
Yes.
who is there on your left side
Single line.
very good तो क्या कहेंगे ऐसे there is
Single line.
who there is Mr. Saklan where
In
Left side.
Left side.
on your beta on your left side
On my hand.
who is there on your right side
Oops.
who that is what
There is none.
There is nothing.
None. There is none.
to what के लिए होता है ना बेटा
There is none.
very good who is there
There is none.
there is none on your left side who is there on your right side
There is the meal on your left side, right side.
मैं अपनी गल नहीं कर सकता मैं तुम्हारी गल कर who is there on your right side
There is the meal
Where?
on my right side.
very good there is Mr. Tanveer on your right side who is there on your left side
There is Umar my right side.
very good there is Mr. Omar on your left side who is there in front of you
There is a teacher
very good there is a teacher मुकम्मल करें
Front.
on my front side,
no बेटा in front of me
in front of me.
no on in front of me there are three students in front of me there is Mr. Tanveer Sultan in front of me there is Mr. Sakalan Muhammad Sakalan in front of me there is Mr. Umar Shahzad in front of me बात समझेंगे
Yes, sir.
in front who is there behind you
There is none.
very good there is none behind you बात क्लियर हो गई
Yes, sir.
अच्छा अब मुझे बताइए who is there in this classroom
There.
हर बंदा बात करेगा और मुझे बताना है जी
There are four men.
very good बेटा there are four men four people four men four people ये people singular भी है plural भी है ये भी आपके correction वाले पेपर में आएगा याद है ये बात
Yes, sir.
पीपल्स नहीं कहना पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी पीपल्स का मतलब होता है ऑफ द पीपल
Pieces of people.
नहीं
That's different.
नहीं बेटा पीपल सिंगुलर भी है प्लुरल भी यू आर गुड पीपल यू आर यंग पीपल यू थ्री और यंग पीपल आई एम एन ओल्ड पीपल बस नहीं
Yes.
पीपल सिंगुलर भी पीपल प्लुरल भी याद रखना
Yes, sir.
See, so there are four people in the class now. जी और हर बंदा बोलेगा. Who is there in this class? Please speak.
There are Tamir and Umar inside the
Classroom.
Sila.
Inside Sila. Very good. At Sila. आप भी बोलो बेटा.
Yes, sir.
So आप कह सकते हैं there is Mr. Rafi. There are Mr. Rafi, Mr.
Tamir.
Tanveer Sultan, Mr. Umar Shahzad, and उसके बाद आपने बारी करनी है and are.
And
Where?
at the Sila.
At Sila. याद रहेगी बात?
Yes, sir.
आप कह सकते कहते हैं there are 4 learners, there is 1 teacher, there are 4 Muslims, there are 4 Pakistanis, ये गल्ला सारी ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
समझाएंगे?
Yes.
Again you can say, चलो ये रह जाते हैं, who's there in that chair?
There is none.
There is none in that chair. Very good. Now, who is there beside no, the whiteboard?
There.
There is no.
Who is there beside? Okay, who is there in front of the whiteboard?
There is
Separate.
Very good. अच्छा, अगर आप और मैं आपसे एक बात करूं, who is there in the hospital?
There is patient.
Very good. There are patients in the hospital. और कौन कौन होते हैं?
There is a doctor.
Very good. There is a doctor in the hospital. There are nurses in the hospital. जी बेटा और
There are medicine.
very good. There are servants.
There are medicine.
Very good. There are नहीं वो तो what होगा ना बेटा? What is there in the hospital? There is medicine. There are medicines where in the hospital. हम बात कर रहे हैं who is there जी. There are medical reps, representatives, no, medical representatives. There are वो बेटा what है? हम बात कर रहे हैं who की.
There are people in the.
Very good. There are people.
In the.
People. क्या word होता है बेटा? There are many people. There are lab attendants. कौन होते हैं? Lab attendants. No? Lab technicians. Clear हुई बात?
Yes.
अच्छा. Who are there in your college? Who is there in your college? जी बोलिए.
There are many teachers and students and principals.
Very good. There are many students in the college. There are many teachers in the college. There is a principal in the college. जी. There is अब पूरी बात करनी मुझे बताना है कॉलेज में कौन होता है और कहाँ होता है. Example.
There is servants.
There are servants. ठीक होगी बात. लेकिन मेरा सवाल है कि कौन होता है आपके कॉलेज में और कहाँ होता है?
There is a principal in the principal office.
Very good data. Very good. There is a principal in the principal office.
There are teachers
In the staff room.
in the staff room.
There are teachers in the staff room.
There are
हाँ.
students in the class.
Very good. There are students in the classroom.
There are bodyguard in the body gate.
Very good. There is security guard. उसे क्या कहते हैं बेटा? Security guard. There is a security guard at the main gate. लेकिन आपके 2 main gates हैं ना? So there are security guards at the gates. ठीक हो बात? और जो receptionist बैठा होता है वो कहाँ पे होता है?
There is a receptionist.
Receptionist. Very good. There is a receptionist at the receptionist corner, counter, desk. ठीक हो गई? जी. और
There is a teacher on the chair.
very good. There is a teacher in the classroom. There are teachers in the classroom. हो सकता है ना? There are boys where in the ground. आगे चलिए. अच्छा, ये जो बस स्टेशन है, ये जनरल बस स्टेशन जो बात कर लेते हैं, यहाँ पे कौन कौन होता है? बस स्टेशन पे.
There is a passenger.
There are passengers. Very good. At the bus terminal, bus station, bus terminal. जी और there are drivers. ठीक है बेटा. There are drivers. No, जी. There are conductors, drivers, conductors, passengers, ticket sellers. कौन? Ticket sellers. Ticket hawkers. Hawkers. HAWKER. Hawkers. जल्दी वाले रूट है ना? Yes. What's that? Hawkers. So there are hawkers. Sharp doda. Hawkers. So there are hawkers at the bus station. और कौन होता है? जल्दी करें.
There are shopkeeper.
Very good. There are shopkeepers. Very good. अच्छा, एक चीज और बात है, खत्म करते हैं ना, जुम्मा ना लेट में. एक चीज हम इन दोनों से पहले, व्हाट से पहले और हु से पहले, हु है नो, व्हाट
No.
नो, देयर इज नो स्टूडेंट इन द चेयर, ऐसे नहीं,
Yes.
देयर इज नो माइक ऑन द स्टूल, देयर इज अ माइक वेयर
On the table.
on the table, there is no mic
On
on the stool, there is a mobile
On the table.
on the table, there is no mobile on the stool. बात समझ आ गई? आप कह सकते हो जी, there is
Red mark.
there is a red marker in the right hand, there is no marker.
In the left.
In the left.
एक बात पहले हमने पढ़ा था, there is nothing, बिल्कुल ठीक है, there is nothing in the left hand, there is no marker where in the left hand. बात क्लियर हो
In
गई?
the left.
बात क्लियर हो गई इस बार? अच्छा, दूसरा क्या था कि there is no over here, no man, there is
No one on the chair.
Very good. There is no man on the chair. There is no man in the street. Put it right.
No.
There is no man. There is no man in the street. There is none in the street. ये प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा आप दोनों लेसन। सवाल इसी तरह करना है कि what's there, फिर where अपने हिसाब से, what's there at Jalbi, what's there at Chua, Chua में क्या क्या होता है जी? कल हमने पढ़ा था जो हम कि there is illiteracy.
Yes.
No, again, लेकिन there is a strong family system.
Yes.
जो family system वहाँ का है वो strong है। बात होगी? What's there on the road? सड़क पे क्या देखिएगा ऐसे कि there are rickshaws, there are buses, there are different vehicles, there are cars, there are taxis.
Yes.
ठीक है जी?
Yes.
फिर आपने सोचना है कि who's there? ऐसे देखेंगे जी। There are shopkeepers in the markets. There are customers in the market. They are passengers
On
where
In the
On the bus.
in different vehicles, no?
Bus station.
Very good. At the bus station. याद कर लेंगे?
Yes, sir.
कार ऐसे खड़े होकर तो आप ऐसे देखिएगा। There is my mother. Who? My mother. There is my mother in the kitchen. There is my father in the TV
So
room.
there is a Tanir of my love.
Very good. There is excellent. No, but not on. On my right side. On my left side. Clear बात है?
Yes.
On my right side, on my left side.
There is Rafi on my front.
No, not because in front of me.
In front of me.
ये मैंने कल आपको बताया था ना कि ये 23-24 लफ्ज़ है ना, ये मैं इसका प्रिंट फिर निकालना भूल गया। ये मैं आपको मंडे को दूंगा, मुझे याद करवाइएगा आके कि ये वेयर का प्रिंट मुझे देना है। ये वर्ड्स है ना?
Yes, sir.
ये वेयर का मैं एग्जांपल दूंगा। This vocabulary.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, beta.
Yes.
See you on Monday. Friday is getting late.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا نودي للصلاة من يوم الجمعة فاسعوا إلى ذكر الله وذروا البيع ذلكم خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون.
O you who believe. When the call is made for prayer on Congregation Day, hasten to the remembrance of God, and drop all business. That is better for you, if you only knew.